In quite dim, dark times like these, it makes a lovely change to see some colour and light on our streets. That's why this weekend, artists from around the country flock to Liverpool to show off their skills and make their mark. The event, called Contrast Mural Festival, let people create their own section of graffiti along Great George Street near Chinatown. One of the artists, who goes by the name Inzy1, told us about the effects that vibrant art can have on some people.
A lot of people see graffiti and stuff like that as like an insult to their space, whereas like in some other cultures it's like a free coat of paint and it's something beautiful and like it can really lift the community. You know, like if you come along seeing that piece behind us by John Culshaw, for example, you know, like you drive along, you see that and it like brightens up your day. You know, like they're inspiring. So I think they're very important, especially in times like now. You know, people need a bit of a buzz, don't they?
Absolutely,
so,
yeah.
Yeah.
The festival was set up by Zap Graffiti to give people a space to express themselves in their own unique way. Each artist had a huge blank canvas to work with, which made for some really interesting displays. Kieran, who works at Zap, told us how street art can bring people together and help completely transform an area.
There's a whole variety of age groups. There's kids all the way up to guys in the 60s and girls painting here today, from all different backgrounds. It just brightens up an area, can be fun, and hopefully the public like it.
And Kieran's right. What do the public have to say? Well, Sue Jones, who passes by every day to and from work, was really impressed by the variety of art on offer.
There's so many different styles. Some are very precise, some are very, I don't know how to describe it, free-flowing sort of thing, yeah. And it's obvious that you look at them and you think, that's a bit on them, you think, we've got the rest of the day to go. There's probably a lot more to do yet.
And there you have it. Even though some spray cans may run dry, the creations they leave behind live on to brighten up our city. Wes Powell, Liverpool Life.